Now let us start about water. You know, water is the wonder liquid. It is necessary for life. Do you know why it is necessary for life? Answers are there, and many answers are there. See here, we discuss little about it. You know that water is available on the earth in the form of surface water. We say surface water means what? It is sea, river, lake, pond, small, etc. It is also available in underground. Underground water is there. Surface water. Underground water is there. Also in atmosphere, water vapor is there. So it is found in the form of water vapor in the atmosphere also. Underground water is also available, and on the surface water is also there. You have also learned that 3/4 part of the earth is covered by water, but out of all this, fresh water is less. Ocean is largest or high, so fresh water availability is less. Fresh water is less. Is it okay? Now, it is available in all the way, but what is the importance of water for living being? Importance of water is what? First, you can say that it is important for life. It is important for any life because it transports the nutrients from one part of the body to the other part of the body. This is necessary for transportation of nutrients. Here I write in very short, you can write it in a long manner also. So transportation of nutrients, water is important. We can say that it is important for all biological process. Because water acts as a medium in any living organism and for any biological process taking place inside the living body. And that's why we say that it is important for all biological process. Okay? It is also required for maintaining the salts and ionic balance. So it is required for maintaining minerals and ionic balance in the body. It maintains body temperature. Your body temperature is round about 36.8 degrees Celsius or 96.8 degree Fahrenheit. It maintains the body temperature in each and every part of your body, and that's why we are called warm-blooded animal. Okay, so these are the importance of water. Availability of water. Availability of water decides not only the number of individuals of each species that are able to survive in a particular area, but it also decides the diversity of life. You can say that water is important to decide different diversity of animals or any living organism. Diversity, that is called varieties. Varieties of animals and varieties of microorganisms, varieties of different creatures or living organisms are possible on the earth because there is a different proportion of water there on the earth. This availability of fresh water are different at different places, and that's why the creatures are different. You know that in the desert area the creatures are different, whereas in the ocean the creatures are different, whereas in the forest creatures are different, whereas in the terrestrials also creatures are different. This is all because the availability of water in a different manner. Okay. Now after that we are going to start water pollution. See, you know that water is polluted because of what? Because of some chemical factories. In short, industries. Because of some chemicals industries, they release the contaminated water or chemicals into the river, and river becomes contaminated. Okay, without purifying them, without sterilizing them, without taking a proper precautions, if they release the chemicals or water containing chemicals, then the river and other resources of water bodies are polluted. Okay. After that, you can say that water dissolves the fertilizer and pesticides, and because of this, it also polluted. Means dissolve pesticides and fertilizers. Because of this, water is polluted. Okay, dumping of sewage and other thing into the water reservoir, dumping of waste. In short, dumping of waste in water. As for example, sometimes you have seen the seashore or beach area where plastics and other non-biodegradable materials people throw away. Okay, and because of this, water also get polluted, and the aquatic creatures also becomes endangered. Okay, moreover, we can say industries. Okay, because of this industry is what exactly happened. The egg or larva of aquatic creatures affects. Because of the water pollution, eggs and larvae of the aquatic creatures affects, and so this species may become endangered, means going to be extinct. So sometimes a link or a chain in the food chain or food web is dropped down. Okay, and that's why it is very bad thing. Now we are going to learn about another factor that is called soil.